For over 35 years, Stego's made-in-Germany products, including fans, thermostats, enclosure heaters, lighting, hygrostats, and more have been enjoyed for their reliability and longevity by customers across the world. Their years of combined practical experience allows their products to be tailored to the exact needs of their users. Additionally, Stego products are optimized in respect to functionality and to fulfill market requirements for space, usability, and durability. This focus on innovative features and outstanding design is what helps their products stand out from the rest. Whether it's heating, ventilating, regulating, or lighting, Stego's innovations and uncompromising demand for quality creates solutions for thermal management designed to protect electrical and electronic installations from extreme high or low temperatures and humidity. You can view our full catalog of Stego products at galco.com.